Today we will cut a chicken. The trick is to find where the joints are. We'll start with the thigh and cut the thigh and drumstick. Then go to the other thigh and look for the joint where the bones meet and cut it seamlessly and separate the drumstick from the thigh. Next, we'll go to the wings, the chicken wings. Then cut the chicken wing from the other side. Now we will cut the neck. Then we'll separate the chicken breast from the chicken back. Then we can divide the chicken breast into 2 or 3 pieces depending on the chicken size. We divided this into 3 as the chicken was quite large. Then now we'll divide the back into 2 pieces just like that, and that's it.